Hello everyone, it's me Rakesh, and today we are going to discuss about the CSS value in Selenium. So while doing the testing, you may come across the scenario where you need to validate the size, font size of any link or text or width of the image. So many people are confused that which CSS value I should take, which CSS value are allowed, how to write the exact CSS attribute. So for that, let me open a site yahoo.com. So today we will see CSS value for all kind of web element, means like text, button, image, link. So whatever the web element you can came across, we are going to find the CSS value for all. So I have opened the yahoo.com and let me paste the F12 and in Chrome here only you can write the XPath. Okay, so first we are going to, okay, this is what, this is the button. Okay, so we are going to take the CSS value for button. So first question that what are the CSS value that is available for this button, and what are the, or you can say what are the CSS value that we can take for this button. So first let me write the XPath for the same. So okay, button and text. No thanks. Yeah, so this is the XPath. So what I'm going to do, let me create a class get CSS value. So after this video your concept of CSS value will be all clear. You can get the CSS value for any type like image, button, text, link, anyone. So let me copy the code to open the Chrome. Let me copy till here. So this one is our class. Okay, and here we are going to give yahoo.com. so this will open the yahoo.com for us. Then driver dot find element my dot XPath, and we are going to pass this XPath dot get CSS value, and here we need to pass the, and output of CSS value is always a string. So if you are not aware about any output, so you can just mouse over here, and here it's saying that it's returning the string type. Okay, so open the Chrome, then go into the developer mode and then click on this computed that I have just clicked, and now we can see that, okay, so for this button type these are the CSS value that we can get. So here let me show you all the list. So these are the CSS value for this button. So let me print the background color. So let me copy it. Background color, background color, and I'm directly putting it into SYSO. I'm not storing it anywhere, I'm directly printing it. Then apart from that, what are the value that we can print? Let me close this part. So after that, border top width. So out of these, any value we can print. So I'm just picking the random, then display, I'm just doing the copy paste to save the time, but if you are new with the Selenium, then you can write the entire code. Then let me print one more value, then we will move to next element type. So this one, it's not getting copied. Text rendering, let me print. Text rendering. It's throwing error message. Okay, sorry, here I have, instead of passing the X path, I have passed the URL. So let me replace it. It's opening the browser. And it's printing all the value. So let me show you from here. So for background color, it's printed RBGA 000, then border top width, where is the border top width? Border top width 2 pixel, then display, for display it is inline block, and then text rendering auto. Text rendering, here it is, auto. So out of this property we can pick any property and we can validate it. Okay, now let me do one thing. Now we will pick another element. Let me pick image. So how to find the image on the web page? Just type img. So there are total 27 images available. So okay, so once this object is highlighted, so we cannot copy the content from here. So let me move to the next element and then we will copy some property of this image so that we can identify this. So it's saying this one is the title. So here image, then at the rate title is equal to this one. So we have identified the image, and if you don't want to write this long title, then what you can do, you can use contents, and here we need to pass two arguments. One is the title, and then the second one argument is contains the title. Yeah, this one is the syntax. Contains title. So why it's not? Okay, there is a spelling mistake. Yeah, contents. Okay, so for this image, what are the CSS property available? So for this image, these are the CSS property available, so we can capture any CSS property. So let me create a web element for the same web element. img is equal to driver dot find element by dot export, and then pass this export, and it will say import web element. Now what we can do, image dot get css value, let me print it. So for system.out.println, what you can do, you can write the SYSO and then control space. So these are the image, these are the CSS value available for the image, this image. So let me pick the color. So I'm just printing 2-3 value. You can print as per your need, or you can validate the value as per your need. So font family, font size. So these are the widely used CSS value. Font size. Let me close the previously open browser. So this is the font size, this is the font family. Okay, one more property is there, width. Width. So why I am giving focus on width? One moment. Because width change along with your browser size. So these all are the dynamic page. So let me run it and see the width. So here we can see the width is this one. So let me copy this and paste it here in the commented value, and let me open the same browser in maximize mode, driver.manage.window.maximize. So this is the way we can maximize the window in Selenium. And let me now calculate the width. it's running. So see the width got changed. So while dealing with the CSS value, you need to take care of the browser mode as well, whether it's in maximize mode or which mode. So that's all for image. Now let me pick some link. So there are total 110 links are available here. A is the anchor for link. So using this we can identify the link. Okay, so this one is the link. Let me just minimize this so that we can see it. Here it's Println, it's my local location. So this one is not the link. Here is the link. Okay, so which property we can capture to identify this link? Sorry. So we can use href. Let me delete it. You should always do a practice to write the dynamic X path. Never build the habit to use any Chrome path or anything. Okay, that's not getting identified. Yeah, so there are total 3. So now this one is the second one. Okay, so what we can do now, it will identify the unique and second one. So using this way we can pass the index in Selenium. See, it's now identifying the uniquely. So let me pass the same into our code, and for that what are the property available? So let me click here, and then these are the property available for this link. So let me close it and open it again. It's computed. Background color colored. So I'm going to take the color, then font weight, and then text align. Okay, first one is color is there, then font weight, then text align. So out of each property we can take any one as per our requirement. And let me take one more. Text, this one, and let me print the same. So we can see that it's opening the yahoo.com. Then for this particular link it's printing all this value. So for any kind of web element you just need to remember few things, like either press F12 or click on inspect, then identify the element, and then click on the computed, and here you will get all the list of the CSS value, and out of those we can get the value as per our requirements. So that's all for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks. And if you are liking my video, then please click on the like button and share it with your friends so that maximum people can get benefited. Thanks everyone.